welcome to my new blog post 55. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about the skills that are required for a project manager. So let's start. So basically, when we talk about leadership skills, basically these skills involve the ability to guide, motivate, and direct a team. These skills may include demonstrating essential capabilities such as negotiations, resilience, communication, problem solving, uh, many types of critical thinking, and interpersonal skills. Projects are becoming increasingly more complicated with more and more businesses executing their strategy through projects. Project management is actually more than just working with numbers, various templates, charts, graphs, and computing systems. Hence, we can say that like a common denominator in all projects is basically people, and people can be counted, but they are not basically numbers. So basically, they need people's needs to be managed, and they need uh, a leader who can actually guide them through the project. So project manager should have the capability of the leader. So project manager should have a good should be good in dealing. Like a large part of project manager's role basically involves with dealing with the people, and the project manager should study people's behavior and motivation um, in order to execute the project successfully. Next thing, he should have good qualities and skills, and he should be a visionary. For example, help to describe the products, goals, and objectives of the projects. He should be able to dream and translate those dreams for others. He should be very optimistic and positive, and he should be very uh, collaborative. And the last thing that comes with the leadership is basically project manager has a power. And the leadership and management are ultimately about being able to get things done. So the skills and the qualities noted help the project manager to achieve the project goals and objective. So with this, I have given you a brief overview about the leadership skills, and in coming blogs, I'm going to discuss more about various skills that are required for a successful project manager so that he can successfully execute, monitor the project. So let's come towards our star question. So a project manager is basically a captain of the ship. So he must lead the ship with guidance, motivation, third direction, and four with team management. So please do not forget to answer uh, the correct version. Sorry, correct choice in the comment section of this video.